A lot of people install Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, customize the wallpaper, maybe change the theme, install a few apps, and then they think they've already seen everything this operating system has to offer. But the truth is, Linux Mint is packed with hidden features that many users never discover, even after using it for months or years. And honestly, that's one of the reasons why Linux Mint continues to dominate as one of the best beginner-friendly and productivity-focused Linux distributions in the world. It looks simple on the surface, but underneath that clean Cinnamon desktop is a surprisingly powerful system filled with smart tools, secret productivity tricks, performance tweaks, and features that can completely change the way you use your computer. So in this video, we're diving deep into 10 hidden features in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena that most users probably missed. Some of these can improve your workflow instantly, some can boost your system performance, and some are simply cool features hidden in places you'd never expect. And if you stay until the end, there's one feature that can make Linux Mint feel more premium and modern than even Windows 11 for many users. The first hidden feature is something that many users accidentally ignore during installation, and that's Timeshift snapshots. Now, a lot of people know Timeshift exists, but very few actually understand how powerful it really is. Timeshift in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena works almost like a restore system for your entire operating system. Think of it like creating checkpoints for your computer. Before installing drivers, updates, kernels, themes, or risky software, Linux Mint can automatically create snapshots of your system. If something breaks later, you can literally roll back your entire system to a previous working state in minutes. And the crazy part is how easy Linux Mint makes it. You don't need complicated commands or advanced Linux knowledge. Just open Timeshift, choose your snapshot type, schedule automatic backups, and you're done. Many users never configure automatic snapshots, which is a huge mistake because this feature alone can save you from system disasters. Imagine updating your graphics driver and suddenly your system won't boot properly. Instead of reinstalling everything, you simply restore a snapshot. That's it. Windows users often rely on restore points that fail half the time, but Timeshift is far more reliable and deeply integrated into Linux Mint. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena improves snapshot handling and stability even more, making it one of the best hidden safety features available in any desktop operating system today. Another hidden feature that deserves way more attention is the built-in workspace management system inside Cinnamon. Most users only use one desktop and never realize Linux Mint supports advanced multi-workspace productivity. You can create multiple virtual desktops and organize your workflow like a professional. For example, one workspace for web browsing, another for coding, another for editing videos, and another for communication apps. Switching between them feels smooth and extremely fast. The best part is that Linux Mint allows hot corners and keyboard shortcuts for instant workspace navigation. Once you get used to this feature, going back to a cluttered single desktop feels impossible. Many users coming from Windows 11 never realize how mature Linux virtual desktop management actually is. Cinnamon makes it incredibly intuitive. You can even move windows between workspaces with simple drag-and-drop actions. This hidden productivity feature alone can make your workflow dramatically cleaner and more organized, especially if you multitask a lot or work with multiple applications simultaneously. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated hidden features in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, and that's the System Reports tool. Most users only notice it when something crashes, but this tool is far smarter than people think. Linux Mint quietly monitors system issues in the background and generates detailed reports when problems occur. But instead of throwing confusing technical messages at you, it simplifies everything. It tells you exactly what crashed, what package caused the issue, and sometimes even recommends solutions automatically. This is incredibly useful for beginners who are scared of Linux troubleshooting. The system essentially helps diagnose itself. Many users never even open the reports window because they think it's only for developers, but it can actually teach you a lot about how your system behaves. Linux Mint's developers designed this feature to reduce frustration and improve stability, and honestly, it's one of the reasons why Mint feels so polished compared to many other Linux distributions. One hidden feature that instantly makes Linux Mint feel more modern is the advanced window tiling support in Cinnamon. A lot of users think window snapping is just a Windows feature, but Linux Mint actually offers far more flexibility once you learn the shortcuts. You can snap windows to corners, sides, maximize vertically, and organize multiple applications efficiently across your screen. But what many users miss are the keyboard-driven tiling controls. Using simple shortcuts, you can instantly move windows around without touching your mouse. For productivity users, developers, writers, or multitaskers, this becomes addictive. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena improves responsiveness and smoothness in Cinnamon's window management, making desktop navigation feel extremely fluid. And when paired with workspaces, this feature creates a workflow that honestly feels faster than many expensive commercial operating systems. Now here's a feature hidden deep inside Linux Mint that many people never discover, and that's the ability to customize Cinnamon applets, desklets, and extensions directly from the desktop settings. Most users only change wallpapers or themes and stop there. But Cinnamon's modular customization system is one of the best features in Linux Mint. You can add weather widgets, CPU monitors, system stats, productivity timers, clipboard managers, sticky notes, network indicators, advanced menu replacements, and even desktop effects. The amazing thing is how simple Linux Mint makes it. You don't need third-party software or risky downloads from random websites. Everything is integrated into the settings menu. You can browse community-created extensions and install them with one click. This makes Linux Mint feel almost like a customizable smartphone launcher but for desktop PCs. And because Cinnamon is lightweight and optimized, even with several extensions enabled, performance remains smooth on most systems. Another hidden gem in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is Driver Manager. Most users only open it once after installation and then forget it exists forever. But Linux Mint's Driver Manager is actually one of the easiest hardware management systems in the Linux world. It automatically detects proprietary drivers for graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, printers, and other hardware. What makes this feature special is how beginner-friendly it is. Instead of forcing users to search forums or use terminal commands, Linux Mint centralizes everything into one simple interface. You can switch graphics drivers, test compatibility, and update hardware support safely. For NVIDIA users especially, this feature is extremely important because Linux Mint simplifies what used to be one of Linux's biggest headaches. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena continues improving hardware detection, which means better compatibility for modern laptops, gaming systems, and workstations. Now let's talk about something that can dramatically improve performance, especially on older hardware, and that's startup application management. Hidden inside Linux Mint's settings is a powerful startup applications tool that many users completely ignore. Over time, apps quietly add themselves to startup and slow down boot times. Linux Mint allows you to control every startup process easily. You can disable unnecessary apps, optimize boot speed, and reduce RAM usage significantly. What's interesting is that many Linux users think Linux is automatically fast forever, but poor startup management can still affect performance. Linux Mint gives you complete control without complicated system editing. You can even delay startup services strategically to make your desktop load faster. On older laptops or budget PCs, this hidden feature can make Linux Mint feel dramatically smoother and more responsive. One of the coolest hidden features in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is the built-in Redshift integration. Many users don't even realize it exists because it quietly works in the background once enabled. Redshift adjusts your screen color temperature based on the time of day, reducing blue light exposure during nighttime. This helps reduce eye strain and can improve sleep quality if you work late at night. Windows eventually added similar functionality, but Linux Mint's implementation feels lightweight and extremely reliable. You can customize intensity, schedule timing, and color warmth easily. Once you start using it regularly, turning it off feels uncomfortable because your eyes quickly adjust to the warmer nighttime display. This is one of those small hidden features that subtly improves your daily computing experience without demanding attention. Now, here's a feature that power users absolutely love, but beginners often miss completely, and that's Nemo Actions in the Nemo File Manager. Nemo might look simple at first, but it's actually one of the most customizable file managers available on Linux. Nemo Actions allow you to add custom right-click menu commands directly into the file manager. For example, you can create actions for converting images, compressing files, opening terminal windows, batch renaming, uploading files, generating checksums, or launching scripts instantly. This transforms Nemo into a productivity powerhouse. Advanced users can automate repetitive tasks directly from the file manager without opening additional applications. Linux Mint makes these actions relatively easy to configure, and once you understand their potential, you realize how much hidden power exists inside what appears to be a basic file browser. Another feature that many users overlook is Linux Mint's built-in firewall management tool. Security on Linux is often misunderstood because many users think Linux doesn't need protection at all. While Linux is generally safer than many other operating systems, Linux Mint still includes a simple graphical firewall utility that can dramatically improve network security. What makes this feature special is how accessible it is for beginners. You don't need networking expertise or complicated terminal commands. With just a few clicks, you can enable firewall protection, configure rules, and secure your system against unwanted connections. Many users never enable it because they assume Linux handles everything automatically, but taking advantage of this hidden feature adds another layer of security, especially for laptops used on public Wi-Fi networks. Now let's move into one of the most impressive hidden features in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena, and that's the update management system. At first glance, the update manager looks simple, but underneath it's actually one of the smartest update systems in desktop Linux. Linux Mint separates risky updates from safe ones more clearly than many other distributions. It also integrates Timeshift snapshots directly into update workflows. Before major system changes, Linux Mint can automatically create restore points, giving users confidence to install updates without fear. This solves one of the biggest problems people have with operating systems today: update anxiety. On Windows, many users fear updates because they sometimes break features or cause instability. Linux Mint approaches updates differently. It gives users transparency, control, and rollback options. You can see exactly what packages are being updated, read changelogs, manage kernels, and control update frequency. This level of user control is something many mainstream operating systems simply don't offer anymore. There's also a hidden feature related to keyboard shortcuts that many users never fully explore. Linux Mint allows extensive custom keyboard shortcut creation for almost anything. You can launch applications, run scripts, control media, open folders, execute terminal commands, and automate workflows instantly. Power users often create custom shortcuts for screenshot tools, browser launches, development environments, or system controls. Once you customize your shortcuts properly, your workflow becomes dramatically faster. Linux Mint's shortcut system is deeply integrated and surprisingly flexible compared to many desktop operating systems. You can even combine it with custom scripts to create advanced automation without needing extra software. Another hidden capability in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is fractional scaling and display optimization. Many users with high-resolution displays struggle with interface scaling, especially on Linux, but Cinnamon has improved significantly in this area. Linux Mint now handles display scaling far better than older Linux desktops. Users with 2K or 4K displays can fine-tune scaling levels for sharper visuals and better readability. This hidden feature matters more than people realize because poor scaling can make an operating system feel outdated instantly. Linux Mint's improvements here make the desktop feel modern and polished, especially on newer laptops and monitors. Now let's talk about one feature that makes Linux Mint incredibly beginner-friendly, but is often ignored by experienced users, and that's the welcome screen utilities. Most people close the welcome screen after installation and never open it again. But Linux Mint hides useful tools there for system setup, software recommendations, driver installation, backups, documentation, and troubleshooting. It's designed almost like a control center for new users. The idea is to reduce confusion and centralize important tasks in one place. This hidden feature reflects Linux Mint's philosophy perfectly. Simplicity without sacrificing power. One of the smartest hidden features in Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is automatic multimedia codec support. Linux beginners often fear media compatibility issues because older Linux systems sometimes struggled with proprietary formats. Linux Mint simplifies this dramatically. During installation or afterward through simple prompts, users can install multimedia codecs that enable support for MP3 files, videos, streaming formats, and more. The result is a system that just works for entertainment, media playback, and online content consumption. Many users don't realize how much effort Linux Mint developers put into making multimedia support seamless and beginner-friendly. Now here's something advanced users especially appreciate: Linux Mint's kernel management system. Hidden inside Update Manager is a surprisingly powerful kernel selection tool. Most users never touch it because they don't even know it exists. But Linux Mint allows users to install newer kernels for better hardware support or older kernels for stability. This gives users flexibility rarely seen in mainstream operating systems. For example, if a new Wi-Fi card isn't working properly, a newer kernel may solve the issue instantly. On the other hand, if a newer kernel introduces instability, users can roll back easily. Linux Mint makes this process graphical and safe compared to many distributions that require terminal-heavy workflows. Another feature hidden in plain sight is Linux Mint's powerful search functionality in the Cinnamon menu. Most users only search for apps, but Cinnamon Search can also locate files, folders, settings, calculators, and system tools incredibly fast. Once you start using keyboard-driven search regularly, you realize how much faster Linux Mint becomes compared to manually browsing menus. Press the super key, type a few letters, and almost anything on your system becomes instantly accessible. It's one of those features that quietly improves productivity every single day. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena also includes excellent accessibility options that many users never explore. There are built-in tools for screen readers, magnification, keyboard accessibility, visual enhancements, and interface adjustments. Even users without accessibility needs can benefit from these settings. For example, larger cursor sizes, zoom features, or visual notifications can improve usability dramatically depending on your setup. Linux Mint's accessibility design is lightweight yet effective, reflecting the distribution's focus on practical usability for everyone. Now let's talk about one hidden feature that makes Linux Mint feel incredibly efficient on low-end hardware: Cinnamon performance tuning. Many users think desktop environments are fixed experiences, but Cinnamon actually allows extensive tuning. You can disable animations, reduce effects, optimize compositing, and tweak responsiveness directly from settings. On older laptops, these adjustments can make Linux Mint feel dramatically faster. And unlike some heavy operating systems that become unusable on aging hardware, Linux Mint still performs surprisingly well when optimized correctly. This is one reason why so many people revive old computers with Linux Mint instead of throwing them away. There's also an underrated hidden feature related to software management. Linux Mint's software manager includes Flatpak integration, which many users never fully explore. Flatpak allows access to modern application versions independent of system repositories. This means users can install updated apps safely without breaking system dependencies. Linux Mint integrates this technology smoothly, allowing beginners to install modern software versions with simple graphical tools. It's one of the reasons Linux Mint balances stability and modern software availability so effectively.